Hi, this is Sherry Taylor with ATL Clinical Workshop. I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite sayings of all time, and if you're on the online workshop, you'll know this saying. I always say, did Simon tell you to do it? So this pertains to you deciding to do extra work when you're testing. You have an assignment sheet that is filled out specifically for you on the patient care that you are to provide. Why would you add any more work? I mean, you don't have a whole lot of time in the patient's room. So when students ask me questions like, well, should I ambulate the patient? I'm like, were you told to do it? Well, no, but I can see that they can get up. It's like, were you told to do it? Did Simon tell you to do it? If Simon didn't say do it, leave it alone. You know, if Simon didn't tell you to mess with an IV, why are you going to worry about the IV? And you're like, but Sherry, they have an IV. Okay, it's not for you to mess with. I think a lot of times the students can't wrap it around their head. The patient's not going to be neglected. They have an IV. It's just not for you. But there's a primary nurse that she's got your back and she's taking care of the stuff that you're not taking care of. So the patient's not going and left alone to fend for themselves. No, they're being taken care of. It's a team effort. So you're part of a team and you're given a specific assignment, and that's all you have to focus on. So quit overthinking it, quit making life harder on yourself, and do what Simon says. It's right there in writing on your assignment sheet. So remember, did Simon ask you to do it? Take a look at some of our extra information on our website at www.atlclinicalworkshop.com.